Welcome to today's exciting exploration of IPTV, where we reveal the secrets to streaming on multiple devices effortlessly. Before we dive in, I must mention the best IPTV provider, 2TV.store. With top-notch service, their support contact Nancy ensures unparalleled user satisfaction. IPTV transforms how we consume media by providing a vast array of channels through the internet. But can it work simultaneously on multiple devices? The answer is yes. With specific guidelines, you can easily manage multiple devices on one IPTV connection, enhancing your viewing experience manifold. First, ensure your internet bandwidth supports multiple streams. Next, configure each device to connect seamlessly with your IPTV provider. Enjoy the freedom of diverse viewing options on multiple screens. This concludes our practical guide to harnessing your IPTV service maximally.